All right, it's day 44. Let's get it. You are given a map of a server center represented as a m by n integer matrix grid, where 1 means that on that cell there is a server and 0 means that there is no server. Two servers are said to communicate if they are on the same row or on the same column. Return the number of servers that communicate with any other server. Now, there is only one case here to take care of, is to refrain from counting duplicates. Uh, or let's take this example. Let's take this. This is way better. Now, if the grid looks something like this, right? So there will be a 4 by 4 grid, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, m by n can be 250. So, first of all, I can go through each row, right? And then just if there are multiple servers in that row, I'll add that number to my result, right? So for example, in 0th row there are 2 servers, right? So I'll add 2 to my answer, plus 2. In the first row there is only 1 server, so I can't. In the second row, 1 server, nope. In third row, 1 server, nothing. Now in the 0th column, 1 server, first column 1. In the second column there are 2. Now, okay, let's say in this example, if we had a 1 over here, what would have happened? In the first row, we would have added 2 again, right? Now, in the first column, there are 2 servers, but they're already counted. They are already counted. How do we know that? I can simply mark 0, like, yeah, if row is 0, I can mark visited row basically. If this row is visited, then do not count, right? If this row is not visited, then count that, right? I think that's the simple formula here. And it would give me the answer. Let's check. Now, let's do this quickly. N equals grid 0 dot length, right? Visited row. We can do a boolean. Viz row equals boolean. There are m rows, so we have an m. Now, mark visited rows. Now, for each row in grid, yeah, I can type row here. If get number of ones one count or server count if server count is greater than 1, result plus equals server count and with row of I equals true. Okay, now we traverse over each column. Here we traversed rows, right? Now for each column, for int I equals 0, I is less than m, I plus plus. If grid of ij is 1, then server count plus plus. Right? If server count is greater than 1 and with row. Okay. But yeah, with row I. Let's see if this works. Okay, it's a bit of a stretch. What happened here? 1 0 and 1 1. 1 0 1 1. So what do we do first? We get through each row and get a number of ones. If it is greater than 1, then we visit that, right? Okay. Okay, I get it. And I can also do if with row I, then dupe plus plus, right? And at the end, minus dupe. Yeah. Yep. So the time complexity is obviously m cross n, m multiplied by n, right? So yeah, this was the question for today. Let's also do Leetcode. We were on 2 pointers. Let's get it. To sum to input array is sorted. Given a one indexed array of integers numbers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order, find two numbers such that they add up to specific target number. Let these two numbers be numbers of index 1 and index 2, where index of 1 are in between that array, and return the indices of the two numbers added by 1 as an integer array of length 2. What? Okay. The tests are generated such that there is exactly one solution. You may not use the same element twice. Your solution must use only constant extra space. So we traverse over them and then we find if there is target. So if sum exceeds the target, then we reduce from the right. If it is less than target, then we increase from the left. I think that is the logic. Let's try. R equals numbers dot length minus 1, right, while L is less than R. If numbers of L plus numbers of R is equals target, then return new int. I think that's how you return here. I'm not sure. If number of L if sum is greater than target, then R minus minus. If else, L plus plus, right? Turn. Let's see if this is the trick. The fuck? Numbers, not number. Okay, this works. Let's see. All right, so that was the second question for the day. Both done in under 15 minutes, which is good. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow with another set of questions. Till then, take care and GG's.